kedai kedua dashan Meghalaya pani pedang semua bahai pi baro syakatup kubor mata kejan min. Sywaban par syaki kubor ki babania ini pet sywaya ki mat bakongsan. Poi kejing don ki bayap syakalai pongud da kejing klat no ki armud ki bamen saujer ha kejing jabatai ke krem doyong ha East Chanta Hills. Sedang kesorga jela ban pinkala ya kuru komti doyong kat kom kejing start sayan shanjing e ban pinyo iki jaka badan kam ban wai. Lajan la pendep yagi projek penroisor bakongsan ya ke projek MTC lakmi lenti ban la pendep hau benai jemang lani jeliu menta usnan. Bat menjur ke sorkar pedeng ban ai san poklur tingka na ke benta kajing penhe ya ke kat ding sun hasilong. Mentang inya pai syaki kubor na keleng ki benta jong gajela. Ha Meghalaya kejing dan jengki beriu ki balaklat ha kejing cha betai dynamite ha ka krem doyong bati be an ha thang school East Chanta Hills District kalakio syakalai pongun. U Deputy Commissioner jongka East Chanta Hills u Manish Kumar ula pentip ya kilat batai kubor bagajing betai kalaja ha ka step jongka santarik u rempang. Kam haswa la pentip bagajing don ki bayap kalapoi syaka arpu prangun kat ba ya arngut ki weipat kilaklat no hasil char Medical College Assam na kadaw kejing jur palat kejing mensau. Kabala penlong ban poi ki bayap syakalai pongun. U Deputy Commissioner ula ong bakabor penyat district kadang penbiang ya kapisa ajing yarap syaki longyeng jong ki balaklat no. Ha ka weipat kaliang kabor penyat district kalabu iki an ki baperking persya iki jingti doyong bi an.
After then, we immediately rush our team and under our ADC to rush to the area and immediately through the state government coordination we called NDRF, SDRF and SRT, and from that day itself we started this rescue operation. So far we continued this rescue and search operation till 9th of the February, and so far total death figure in Meghalaya is 28, and from Assam also, Silchar, we received information 2 persons have died, so we are also in the process to include their name also. So far there is a total death of 30, and we are also processing this part of relief compensation to the next to the kin of victim, and we have processed for 8 victims so far. Enforcement drive is still going on for today also, and it will carry on further. And we have set up this district task force to continue this drive, and we have taken a very strict measure and instructed all our line departments like district transport office and district mining office to take every possible action to stop this illegal mining activity in the district.
Sembut Menteri Rangba gejala ubah seniau Bhalangdhar ula ong babun teli ki projek penroisor kila jandem. Bat ya ke projek MTC la kami nanti ban la pendep hau benai jemang lani ubenai jeliu mentau snem. Ki kam te jing te haki skul ki jing te ki jaka pendan kampat ba bat ki skim sam bam ru kilayat syat ya ke jaka penyeng kali ke babun malaru ladap ban pripat ba ki weipat ki projek ban shna ki jaka penyeng kali kidang don hapdeng ke jing pentrei kat ba ya ke projek penbha ya kanan polok pat kam hap hapo jong katanat ki kam penroisor.
I think, let's see, after the financial year, it seems few projects we are yet to inaugurate for the urban projects. Like the work's full swing everywhere. Major one, like Polo is already ready and has been inaugurated already. And MTC Police Bazaar, maybe I think by May or June we should be able to inaugurate it. And the other new projects is under progress, like water from Vamkra, all this and that, and the new scatter, you know very well, Timor, all this is under progress. No parking, you know, recently CM has inaugurated one parking, multi-parking, and even the other space we are on the job. And you are rightly said, I think maybe by after March will be numbers of parties will be inaugurated. Now the work is in full progress. Actually, that is not limited with tourism. So I think maybe tourism minister is the right man to inform all this. It's not from urban.
Kajingja basngosi hakakrem doyong kalawan ra igijing do no igijing im chongki lai phongmut kibrio katkom kajing yo jingtep hadu henin gajanmin u sembut menteri rang ba gajela uba sniaw bhalangdhar ula ong ba kachia kren bat ka sarkar pedeng halor kendon banti doyong katkom kajing start sayan kadang ya chakmat lapalat shisna menta kajing dan kam ya kachaka ban shim ni aiwai kadang sateng ban long kajing na kabenta kinong ti doyong chong kathan ka sarkar kam kershan ya kajing ti doyong bi an ula ong ba kabuat penyat hi marwe kampat beng klem da don dikiwe pat kilat ki ba kat kum ka an ka ken hun jong ka SDRF kadang beteng ya ka kam pelat im bat ya kajing te bakham bania anla ban ai tang hadien bala penkut ya kani kajing wat bat jing pelat im
Ya kani ilayo ika petition ka request from the various mines owner. Ki ong batis pak lah he pelat. Ya kani ki subject ru usiam dingi for the last 1 year ulai discuss baka central government if they can reduce the area to small size. So at least the local people can have the scientific mining all what the state is under discussion. You see this type of incident, yes, it's very unfortunate. I share my condolences to all the affected family. Please remember now, not the time to play politics. It is high time to be collectively responsible when such accident is occurred. Yes, you know very well. Incidents were unfortunate, and yes, government is taking very proactive stuff. We have sent all the teams to help there, and roughly till to yesterday, it seemed around 27 bodies has been announced. And now even the SPDC is still on the job for two checks, and the only thing from the government side, we won't spare anybody who are involved. We will take actions against them.
U MLA ka North Shillong uba Adalbert Nongrum ula penramjur ya gajingja hathang sku ula ong ba gajingja bun sian ka penpau ya gajing beteng jongki kamti be an bat shalan be an ya udo yong katba updiang ya gajing penlong ya gajing tokit ula dawaru badai ban wengkam shipor ya superintendent of police bat u deputy commissioner chongka East China Hills ula ong ba kibor badai kmi kimla ban kam ba kim tep AA ya gajing long jingman ha ka district uba nongrum ula kentu ban penshitam ting ya ke badon kti bat ula bu jingkeliru halor gajing skapjar jongka JHADC bat kibor ba kmi ya ka ilaka setengah ula banjuru ya gajing dan kam ban shim ya gajing ket kli
I have to put a question. Bakata kajing kali aku apan bu, bagini ki ba main, ki ba say pat yung new doyong, kumdo pat kin ya kin shalan, bar kumdo ka transportation, ban penkit yung umar, hakano kalenti pat, ada ki ombam don, taka surok. Tika ni kalong kajing perem ka bajur, bat ngakwa, bagani ka present government of the day. Kam day ban syukuran sudah ketien nas ngo baka day ban penpau dah kam actions speak more louder than words no any other can believe except by action kamut bani ka present government of the day kadi ban suspend ni ki armut nomor ba kata ka jingong bamdon illegal mining jing bamdon kata ka illegal transportation ngamngit daki hajar tali ki trok ya kadi kala pausai baka ni ka activities kala ya la slam ba but hang ni ka po na ko anbu ka jingkali big question mark ya ka district council ka bakam baka day kata ka custodian kanong pait nong kami ya jaka puta kata ka bakam baka day ka atiar ka ban pait banri ban sumar ya ta jing long try ka hok long try jongi ko majak banri kham ta makhano ko siap ngabu ka jingkali ya ka JHDC kum nugas ngabjar. Wan ngabo kajing keliru. Ya ka ilaka sutengah. Belai pis ngabjar. Don ayu shalender.
Menteri Ketenat ki kam jingok gai perthai Timothy di Shira ula ong ba jing tmu pen bha ya ka kat ling sun habaljek na kabenta ka Airbus aircraft patla ban pen urlong na kadaw gijing duna chaka bat gijing sa teng gijing siu ka sarkar pedeng kalakular ban ai san phok loting ka na kabenta gijing pen he ya ka kat ling sun hashilong shamladon gijing terwa ban shna ya ka kat ling sun bathamai hatura ya ka baljek an pen he ban penher ya giling sun ki bakit riopho hadu nyo phongun lathmu pat banchna ya ki helipad ha ki district headquarter ya ka hotel project ka ba south phoklo tingka lathmu banchna hatura hapo ka PPP ki project penroy ya ki kam jingok kai perthei ka pishongdor mar arphulai klor tingka lathmu hasiju resubil para bat mandalgri.
Now the land compensation is to be paid. I think 50 crores has been sanctioned, but money fund has not been placed at the disposal of state government. Central government has already promised to sanction 50 crores for extensions of political fraud. But it may not be possible to extend it to accommodate the lending of this Airbus. Because you see, land available there is very limited. Yes, smaller aircrafts, you see, carrying about 70 passengers, 60 passengers. So far, I say, there is no such plan, I think. Because, see, any plan will be done, we say, by the transport department. But now, I think, no initiative has been done from the transport department. And no land has been available now. Yes.
Kinong shnong jong kalangpi West KHASI Hills kilayay up ya gijing penbet put ha kaba u MLA barim uba KP Pangnyang ulaken mau ya gijing gular bala ai haus nem arajar arpoar da umentri rang ba ka Assam bat Meghalaya kaladon gijing penbet ha him bat upper gizang kat bagi caka badangsa lakmi lenti baken yakren haus nem arajar arpusau arpusan kajing penslem kalong na kadaw jong kajing penlong ya ke election ha Assam kinong shnong kilalong kibayaisha bat uba Pangnyang ulaong badai ban pendep ya kijing kular.
Abang akut di Hakasam Arhajar Ar tentu Chief Minister Assam macam Meghalaya kelawan halang tu berkila air ya katakan melaban ong kalau kum kejing air jing kermen agak baki ong ba baru arti lagi jelang ila don kejing bukut bat kejing ya rai ban ong man kut no ya kejing ya kejaput di sektor tenreh din ketu kawan no kan election Hakasam Arhajar Pulai jadi kunjuru mentapat kalau dia kesnem kaba hantam hagani ka snem Arhajar pusawat apusan nilakun nanti baka sarkar kan pedeng mador ya kan kejing pendekut ke balong renteli di sektor ke basa kepada Hari Boy district kepada Janti Hills district bat kini kalam pi sektor apa West KHASI district ke kejing ai daw jong ki hakin ki naik ladap jong arpusan so balik no yung baka daw na kadaw baka Assam kamdon ka telat ya ka bankin pun ya sekarang ngajing tu baka don no kata election joki hantai hapo ka di Assam hot yung tati don hapo ka election ka baka konkret na banta ka ni ka kin sa penong hulu benai lang bakla hapo Assam te ya kata ka dai ka daw ka ba la dingekan ya ka so ala jongru Chief Minister jongru om ka Assam ka panto apakah don apa yang election jadi ini election angin sedang dia ngajing penbaik
Kerang saukumi ubala arpusan snem karta ubana gashnong nong thamai Eastern West KHASI Hills ulaja rangai na dukan rio tarik urempang arajar arpun rio ban let bela tho dieng bat ki bahyeng bat uparolok chong u la ujo daga ejahar haka khandai tarik urempang hamairang police station haka bagi pulet kelas dang banwat bat toket haka chu hi kasngi la suba baklala bandon gejinya maya shrut bat ki pulet kila kemno ya arwut ki bala suba don kti haka shpho tarik urempang bat gejing persyang ban lap ye u kadang ya chakman Kikot kisla jaka lasam shaki saupo arngut kinong yo jimantoi ha nik wat gri tura hakash pho tarik urempang ya kani ka program lapenlong da ka uphes chong u deputy commissioner katanat revenue chong ka West Karo Hills u menteri rangba ula ong bagine ki pata kin wengi gijing e hakilyang baro baginong shongshnong ki akandu but on sapan bedru ya ki ba kum kini ki mat haki weipat ki jaka hakani ka program lawan bani shimbanta da ginong yalam chong ka district bat ki dkhot chong ka shnong haka baladon ru gajing pen i ya ki program tenrai
This moment, send Skungapap Radio Pabo Sri non-clarity of their
Katura Hindu Samshan Bhumi Committee henen kasngi kala pelaj patba ya kakali kit medyap kabaladon ya ka refrigerated body box kani kakali kan ai kachi shakri ya kinong shongshnong chong katura bat ken hab ban siu tang san spa tingka kat ba kinong shongshnong chong ka rongram ken hab ban siu 6000 tingka ulampang chong ki ying dorbar thau an chong ka jela ula IT ya kani kakali ha ka ba ula kularu ba unyarap siu ya ka bainong chong unongnya
ये जो हमको मिला है हम कर सके आराम से आज से ये गाड़ी हमारे हमने नहीं तो है
Usamla pering pali nagashnong umpo win ula ai gejingero ya ki pulet garib hoy hakaba ula ai khuble ya u senior superintendent of police barim chong katanat pulet u VS Rathur u bamenta ula long u deputy inspector general ula ong ba gejing talasi ya ki kali kala pelaj na shibon gejingja accident bad ula kentu badai banle AA da kabating e ya ki bale persha bad ula penpau ya gejing kermen ba u SP bamentaru u Giri Prasad un beteng ya kani kerukam terekam hakaba ulayu iru ya kejing treshitom chungki pulet na kabenta kejing shingan ki pajba
nhà phần bao được mình xem trong cái chính mình sơ nhà phi và là phim đơn siêu hàng này học bộ trong cả report bệnh viện cho nhí và là phim là sa Stanford nó là bộ trong cả report play sipon lên ba nhà chỉ chính trai sitom chỉ ba ba chỉ trong phim tham tâm là cả ba phim là lẽ chỉ cam chỉ ba ba là cả bên ta cả đông mà cả thành report cho nhí làm nhà poster ngada bro dak naman sim jong ka jingkiman da ba terpang nya phi ba phi long wai na jinuksa babha hapo jong da them ri boy ba phi la bat kat to kat ne na ka banta ki jing jong da them ri boy sir ba na pan pau ru dak naman sim jong ka jingkiman ha ngada ka por ba ma phi phin là ban nhà lâm lần tê là lâm khmat nhà kine kijin jong katham riboy
kinong jingo kai kila beteng bandit jingo ya ka West KHASI Hills District ya ka ba ka jing itna jong ka jinglong kilom kiwa kala kring ye ki babun kichaka kum ka dawlanong nongkhnum bat gakshat wenya ka ba he kila kala long kichaka ki babun brio tam kinong chua kai na kaleng ki benta jongkari ki bakin thop igi jalla bashatei bachathi jongkari kila 1 poi jan man la kasni kila yaro igi jingjir ngam chong ki lum ki them ke jing i jai jai jongka mariang saudong bat ki chaka ki ba ithyang ban pen ka we ke ken huan ka bana ki benta bashathi jongkari ka balalam da Dr. Kumar Pabathi kala pen pau igi jing sngo jongki shakinong lum khubor kila ong begini gijaka kilong kiba itanat ban shandur bat kila yap biet ya gijinglong jong kanong ston kinong wan kai kila ya ro ru i gijing bha jengki brio ha kani gathan
maybe after the shoot.
Where's Dr. Kumar?
mentang ini apa shiki khubor nagathan chatai lamingi kiling soin turthma kila job hagajing pershang bat penhere ki hakasurok 4-lane emergency landing facility kabaha moran hadibrogar district Assam yakani kachaka lashna ban ailad ikiling soin ki shipai soin ban her habadan kanu gijingcha kabakarki yakani kachaka labu ban play perda da menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi haka khatsau tarik uremphang kani gijing pershang kapen paw gijing ki state ke India hakarukom ban pen kre ban yada yakari Shisngi hadian gajing penmi jong ka election commission ya kathup jong ki nong thap vote ha gajala Assam umentri rangba ka Assam uhimanta Biswa Sarma ulakam ba dakilak mut ki nong thap vote ki bom tikna ladeb banweng na kathup ha gajing penlong ya ka special revision exercise ka electoral roll ka bakhadu ka pen I palat R.saw lai laktali ki kateng baladeb banweng na kathup rim hadian balala ban pendep ya gajing pensisha baro gajing don jong baro ki nong thap vote ha gajala kalapoi shaka R.saw khandai klur kania kapen paw wi gajing hiar kabalong not point khandai nyo % ha kabaya nu chor bat kathup barim chong gajing don kinong thawun usarma ula ong ba ya gajing wengkerteng lale katkum gajing yo jing it chor na kinong tre ka BJP ha kapor bale ya gajing pen kala
ধন্যবাদ এবার পিডব্লিউডি জয়েন্ট ক্যাডার ও জুনিয়র ইঞ্জিনিয়ার পদৰ বাবে শ্ৰী পংকজ কুৰ্মীক আগবাঢ়ি আহিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনাইছো ধন্যবাদ। এইবাৰ কৃষি বিভাগৰ এডিঅ পদৰ বাবে শ্ৰীমতী স্বাগতা দিহিঙীয়াক আগবাঢ়ি আহিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনাইছো।
Mentangin ya pa shaki kubor na kari. Ulampang jong kayeng dorbar Lok Sabha Om Birla ularai ba unam shimbanta hagajing penya ya gajing shong dorbar hadu bandala ban penbet igajing wanra kalyang pirsha ya ka no confidence motion pirsha yu ya ka shithi pentip halor gani ka motion ladep ban soi da kishis pa khat prangut kidkhot jong kayeng dorbar kari katkum katlong khubor la ong ba ka secretariat jong ka Lok Sabha kadang khmi bnia ya kani ka shithi katkum ki kendon jong kayeng dorbar Mentangin ya pa shaki kubor na kaleng ka perthai. Kiriu Shempang Bapau Jangkari India bat Nepal kila penlong ya gijing ya kenduk lang hakat bandu banyakran halor kumno ban pen klain ya gijing ya trailang ban wanra ya gijing ya da ya kari ya kani gijing ya lang lapen ya da ka Nepal Institute of International Cooperation and Engagement Vice Admiral Sanjay Sasjit Singh Balashong Thaj ubalong Director General juga United Service Institution of India ula ajingkran hakani gijing ya lang ula ong ba ke India kadon ka khana pateng ka bayaso lang bat ka Nepal ka banla ban penbet ya gijing e ki bahashwa bat ki bamenta haba penpau ya gijing no senyang chong ka Nepal ula ong ba gijing shlor chong ki Nepali ka long ka benta ka bakongsan ban penklan ya ki sipai chong kari ula pentep ba ya ka Agnivir scheme an pleru na ka benta ki nong shong shnong chong ka Nepal kumba ka ple ki pat ba kari ula ongru bakani ka scheme kaya serium bat ka non pensionable color service kabadon hashwa usnam khat khandai spa nyopho kabatmu ban pen kubor ki samla ki ba imhok bat ki ba shilur Menteri Rang Badu ka Israel u Benjamin Netanyahu u khmi lenti ban le yakandu ya president ka US Donald Trump ha Washington ban ya phliu jingmut halor gejing ekran penbet bat ka Iran kani gejing ekandu kan phai khmat halor gejing shngan chong ka than bat ya ka nuclear program chong ka Iran kham hashwa ki he chong ka Iran bat ka US kila penlong ya gejing ekran halor ka bor nuclear ha Muscat Oman ha ka ba baro arliang kila penpau bakani gejing ekran kala long ka ba seiso bat ka bala ban lam shiki we pat gejing ekran penbet ki ban sa penlong shen Mentangin ya pa shaki kubor ya lekai. Ka District Sports Officer Ribhoi kala penlong ya ka koko bat ka kabadi tournament Hamadan NSCA Nongpot. Ya kani ka lempung la penlong hapo ka sinjam jangga rural games bat ki samla na shibon tali kishnong kilawan ban shibenta ki he ki han kila ong ba gijing thmu kalong ban kintiu ya gijing ele kai tenrai bat kala donru gijing sam ya ki khusnam shaki nong jam Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kala penlong ya ka AIU East Zone Inter-University Handball Tournament ya kani kalampung la penlong da ka Association of Indian Universities hakaba sanpotali ki school ba kilawan ban shimbanta baladon ko ba nyop santali ki kenhun lasdang ya kani kalampung da gajing ele kai hapdeng ka Berhampur University Persha ya ka Banaras Hindu University Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs ulawan ban shimbanta hakani kalampung hakaba ulapen pau ban ai gajing kershan ikinong job ki balayo khur ya ki takma ba pher bar kala donru gajing yatai bat ki samla puli
versus Berhampur. We have the you siapa kan here versus
Temen tapat ini pet ya gajing long jing man ka sin beneng hakil lengki benta jong ka jela Hatura gajing kreat kalong khatlai degree Celsius but gajing shit kalong arbo nyau degree Celsius. Gajing sngam ka hau menta ka sngi kalong southway na kashispa. Haba pai pat shanong ba shilong gajing kreat kalong khandai degree Celsius but gajing shit kalong arbo a degree Celsius. Gajing sngam ka hau menta ka sngi kalong laipo khandai na kashispa. Kat ba hajowai gajing kreat kalong khandai degree Celsius but gajing shit kalong arbo a degree Celsius. Gajing sngam ka hau menta ka sngi kalong laipo san na kashispa. Kasun beneng kansyai hatura shilong bat jowai. Shwaban poi sha ka bakut chong kathup kubor ngini pet biang sa sisien yakimat bakongsan. Poi gajing don ki bayap sha ka lai phongut da gajing khlad no ki arwut ki bamen saujer ha gajing jabathe ka kram doyong ha East China Hills. Sedang kasor Jela ban penkela ya guru komti doyong katkom gajing start sayan shamjing e ban penyo ikijaka badon kam banwai. Lajan la pendep iki projek penroisor bakongsan ya ke projek MTC lakmi lenti ban la pendep hau benai jemang lani jelio mentau senen. Bat menjur kasor kakteng ban ai san poklo tingka na kabenta gajing penhe ya kekat lin sun hasilong. Te paralok katungi la poisha kabukut jong kathup kubor jingi menta gajan mir hadu bangin daya syambyang bat pila syai kasingi kablai pi baro.